All right, so question 18 from the reading, they tell you copper has a specific heat of 0.385 joules grams degrees Celsius. And we have a 0.920 gram sample of copper, and it goes from 370 degrees Celsius all the way down to room temperature, 25 degrees Celsius. Basically, what's the heat released, right? Looking for the heat for copper that's released. So yeah, Q equals MC delta T, right? So Q for the copper, my mass, 0.920 grams, my specific heat, 0.385 joules grams degrees Celsius. My delta T, and here's where people were making a mistake, right? Delta T is final minus initial, so 25 degrees minus 370 degrees. So we should have a negative delta T, which means I'm going to have a negative value of Q. I think it ends up being like negative 122 joules. And the other tricky part about this one was it's two significant figures because we have no decimal places. This 25 is two significant figures, 270 as written is two significant figures. So the Q for copper should be a negative 1.2 e to the 2 joules. So it should be negative because delta T, we lost energy, and then it should be two significant figures from our temperature change for that question. All right, ready to jump to the practice exam? Yeah.
Could you go over 35 from the meeting?
All right.